I purchased a 2018 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring all-wheel drive in late March 2018. I did not get the premium package on it, and I just want to explain what I paid for it and see if you guys think I got a good deal on it. So the only additional option on this vehicle would be the white paint, which was another $250 over the sticker price. I ended up getting $1,000 back in rebates on the vehicle. $500 of this was the auto show cashback bonus, and the other $500 was a Mazda loyalty, since I own a Mazda 3 also. The price before tax came out right around $29,900. After tax, I was about at $32,500. Originally, I was looking at a used CX-5, but there was not that big of a price difference between a brand new one, and then Mazda was also offering 0% financing, so I just opted for the brand new one. This CX-5 stickered for a little over $32,000. I was able to get it at $29,900. So if you shop around and just look online, I think you'll be able to get a good deal on one. I've provided all my purchase documentation for you guys to review, so let me know if I got a good deal or not. Thanks for watching.